ENCLAPSലേക്കുള്ള വഴി ഇനി തനിയെ തുറക്കാം. Subscribe to the ENCLAPS channel. Ring the bell button and open success. It's that easy.
Hello, welcome you to the wonderful world of remote sensing technology. Today, we are going to discuss about the process of remote sensing by using geostationary satellites and sun synchronous satellites. Let us examine how remote sensing is possible by using artificial satellites. What is satellite remote sensing? The process of collecting information using sensors fitted on artificial satellites is called satellite remote sensing. The artificial satellites are mainly divided into two types: geostationary satellites and sun synchronous satellites. What is geostationary satellites? Geostationary satellites are the satellites that move in equal velocity with the Earth's revolution or rotation. The features of these satellites are: first one, geostationary satellites orbiting the Earth at an elevation of about 36,000 km above the Earth. 1/3 of the Earth comes under its field of view. It is a specialty. And another one, as the movement of these satellites corresponds to the speed of the rotation of the Earth, it stays constantly about a specific place on the Earth. And another specialty, another feature is these geostationary satellites helps in continuous data collection of an area, and also it is used in telecommunication and for weather studies. India's INSAT satellites are the good examples of geostationary satellites. Another types of satellites are sun synchronous satellites. Sun synchronous satellites are the artificial satellites that passes around the Earth along the poles. These features of satellites are: the orbit of the satellites is about 900 kilometers in altitude, and the surveillance area is less than that of the geostationary satellites. The repeat collection of information of a region at regular intervals is possible through the sun synchronous satellites, and it is used for the collection of data on natural resources, land use, groundwater, etc. And these sun synchronous satellites are mainly used for remote sensing purposes. Satellites like IRS, Landsat series are good examples of such sun synchronous satellites. Though the process of remote sensing, every object reflect electromagnetic waves are different. Sensors record electromagnetic radiation either reflect or emitted by the object. Each object on the surface of the Earth reflects electromagnetic radiation in different measures. For example, the energy reflection of plants is different from that of the water bodies. The amount of reflected energy by each object is called the spectral signature of that object. Then, what is spatial resolution? The size of the smallest object on the Earth's surface that a satellite sensor can distinguish is called the spatial resolution of the sensor. The high quality satellite images having high spatial resolutions. The sensors on artificial satellites distinguish objects on the Earth's surface based on their spectral signature and transmit the information in digital format to the terrestrial stations. This is interpreted with the help of computers and converted into picture for formats, etc. These are called satellite imaginaries. Dear student, in this session, we discussed about what is satellite remote sensing and types of artificial satellites and its features. We will meet in the next session. Thank you.
3 ലക്ഷത്തിലേറെ വരുന്ന ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങൾ ഏറ്റവും കുറഞ്ഞ ചിലവിൽ സ്വന്തമാക്കുവാൻ ഉടൻ തന്നെ ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യൂ ENCLAPS the Learning App.